Hello all, welcome you all again to this channel of V Square Training Consultants. So this is a continuation video of finding the last two digits of any exponential. So the previous video would have taught you to find the last two digits when the value of z is 1, that is your type 1, and the value of z is 3 or 7 or 9, consisting of type 2. Now in this video, we would be finding the last two digits where the value of z takes as 5 or the value of z is 2 or 4 or 6 or 8, that is type 3 and type 4. So let's get into the video. So type 3 as in says when the value of z is 5. So when the value of z is 5, we will just have to focus on these two areas, that is the value of z here. So let me just do it here. The value of z is 5. The last but previous number of your base is odd and the number in the power is odd, that is the value of n is odd. In the same way, here the base number, the last digit is 5 and the last but previous digit is also odd and the number in the power but is even. So again, the third type is that the last digit is 5, the last but previous number is even with having power as odd number and even with having power as even number. So these are the four types. Now always remember, whenever you have even in any one of the cases, that is either the last but previous number of your base or the number in the power as your even, you will always end up with last two digits as 25. So the last two digits will always be 25 when if any one of the cases is even number. Only when both the cases are odd, that is the last but previous digit is odd and also the number in the power is odd, we will have 75. So all the other cases will only have 25. You can also take numbers as 2 and 3, that is all the even numbers is 2 and all the odd numbers is 3, and just cross verify. You will get the same component. So always remember, when we have any one of the number, that is the last but previous number of the base or the number in the power is even, we will always end up with 25 as the last two digits. Only when the last but previous number is odd and the number in the power is odd, we will have 75. So this is the one of the easiest quick tip. So you can easily find out. So here the last but previous is odd. So and this also is odd. So this will be 75. So here the last but previous, this is even. So since any one is even, it will be 25. So likewise, you can quickly tell the number. So here also, if you could see this number, the number in the power is even. So this is 25. So you can quickly fill up this table and give your answers in the the comment box. Next, so the next type is type 4, which is the last type where the value of z takes either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. This is a bit complicated, but it is quite easy when you remember these four values. Always remember 2 power 10 gives you 24 as the last two digits. So as we know, 2 power 10 is 1024, but we need not even remember 1024, but just remember that 2 power 10 gives you 24 as the last two digits. And 24 to the power odd number will always give you 24, and 24 to the power even number will always give you 76. And 76 to the power any number is going to give us 76. So if we remember these four tips, we can easily solve when the value of z is this. Let us take some examples. 82 raised to 105. So here 82 raised to 105. Either I'll have to bring it to the the last four tips that I had told you, that is either bring it to 2 power 10 or bring it to 24 to the power even or odd, or 76 to the power any number, or you can also try bringing into type 1 where the last digit being 1. So here I have 82 raised to 105. So 82 divided by 2 is just going to give me 41. So 41 raised to, so I can write this 82 as 2 into 41 to the whole power 105. So in the place of 82, I have just written 2 into 41 to the whole power 105, where I still break this out and write this as 2 power 105 into 41 to the whole power 105. 41 to the whole power 105. So you can consider this as A and this as B. So let's first try to find A, the last two digits of A. So 2 power 105. So 2 power 105, I am going to write this as 2 to the whole power 10. Because 2 power 10, I know 2 power 10 is 24. So 2 to the whole power 10 to the whole power 10 again. 2 power 10 to the whole power 10. So 2 power 10 to the whole power 10 is what? Yes, you're right. 2 power 10 to the whole power 10 is 2 power 100. So 2 power 100 is over. I still have only 5. So I can just write it this as 2 power 5. Right? So 2 power 100 into 2 power 5 is going to give you 2 power 105. Now 2 power 10 I know, which is 24. 24 to the power 10 into 2 power 5. 2 power 5 we can easily calculate. 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 2s 16, 16 2s is 32. So this is 32. So 24 to the power 10. 10 is an even number. 24 to the power even number is going to give you 76. So 76 into 32. Again, when you are going to multiply 76 and 32, remember that you will be focusing, or you just have to focus only on the last two digits. Let me just multiply and find 2 6 is 12. So 2 7s is 14, 15. So I just write 5, leave it here. 6 3 is 18. That's it. I don't even bother about the other numbers. So on adding, this is 2 and 5 and 8 is going to give me 13. So I'll just write 3 here. So the last two digits will be 32. So which tells me that the value of A is 32. And it is quite easy for you to calculate 41 raised to 105, which is just your type 1. So last number will just be 1 and the last but previous number will be 4 into 5, which is 20, 0, 1. So 0, 1 into 32 and that is your final answer, which is 32 indeed. So 82 raised to 105 is going to give us 32 as the last two digits. So I repeat, 82 raised to 105. So the base number we are going to split. 82 by 2 is going to give you 41. So you might as well can write 2 into 41 whole power 105. So again split 2 power 105, 41 power 105. 2 power 105 becomes A and 41 power 105 becomes B. So A you can calculate separately and B you can calculate separately. Multiply them to give your final answer. That is the last two digit of 81 to the whole power 105. So here is where we have some examples. So let us take all these examples to, at least a couple of examples to a separate slide and find. So in this video, I would be solving question number 9 and question number 11. So the other answers you can try by yourself and give a check in the comment box. So let's take 92 raised to 39. So 92 on dividing by 2. So you can, let us just think if we'll be able to solve by any other strategy. So we can directly take 92 by 2. So 92 by 2 is going to give us 46. So you can write, let me put, 46 into 2 power 39. Right, 46 into 2 power 39. So this again, no, or else we can try this way. See, I'm going to try this way. 96, let me prime factorize. So this is 46. Again, I'll prime factorize. This is 23. So I can write this as 2 square, that is 4 into 23, the whole power 39. Right? So 2 square into 39. 39 into 2 is going to give us 78 into 23 to the whole power 78. So as such you can consider this as, sorry, this is going to be 39 still, because 2 square power 39 into 23 to the whole power 39. So 2 power 78. So this will be A and this will be B. So let's try calculating A in a different color. So 2 power 78. So still we can write this as 2 to the whole power 10 whole power 7. So this becomes 7 and 2 power 8. So 2 power 10 is 24. 24 to the power odd number is just 24 again. So 24 into 2 power 8. So we know 2 power 8 is 256. So I am only going to take the last two digit, which is 56. So 24 into 56 is going to give us 44 as the last two digits. So A, the value of A will be just 44. So 24 into 56 will give us 44. So the value of A is 44. So let's try calculating 23 raised to 39. So 3 power, so this comes under type 2. So let us take, 3 power 4 is going to give us, 3 power 4 is going to give us 1 in the units place. So you can write 23 power 39 as 23 to the whole power 4. So 4 into what is 36? 4 into 9 is 36. You still have 3 left. So I'll write 23 cube. So this is like 4 9s 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. So 23 power 4. 23 square is 529. Again, I'll take 29 as the last two digits. And 29 square we had already calculated in the previous video, which is just 41. So 41 to the whole power 9 into 23 cube. So 23 cube is 23 square is 529. So 29 into 23 is going to give us 67. So you can write this as 67 here. Now 41 per 9 is just 1 in the units place. So let me write it out here. 1 in the units place. 4 nines is 36. So this will be 61. So 61 into 67 will be the last two digits of B. So 61 into 67 should give you 87. So the value of B will become 87. So finally, A into B is the answer required. So 87 into 44. 87 into 44 should give you 28 as the last two digits. So let me put it in a different color. So 28 will be the answer for 92 raised to 39. You can slowly calculate, cross check and give your correct answer. So 28 will be the last two digits of 92 raised to 39. Same way when we are about to calculate the next number. So this is like 444 raised to 162. So again you can calculate it in this way. So this I can write as 2 square, that is 4 into triple 1. So triple 1 to the whole power 162, isn't it? So this is 4 into 111. So this still you can write as 2 power 2 into 162 is 4, 12 or 324. 324 into triple 1 to the whole power 162. So this you can find 2 power 10. You can still split as A and B and then also find 2 power 10 to the whole power 32. So this is 320 it takes into 2 to the whole power 4, because 2 power 10 the whole power 32 is 2 power 320 plus 4 is going to give you me 324 into triple 1 to the whole power 162. I'm just not disturbing this factor because we can directly take it as type 1 and solve. So 2 power 10 is 24. 24 to the power even number is 76. And 2 power 4, 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 2s 16. So this is 16 into, this is going to give us 1 and 1 into 2 is 2. So 21. So all that you have to do is multiply 76, 16 and 21. So let's take 76 and 16 should give you again 16 only in the unit digit. So 16 into 21 should give you 36 in the units place. So the last two digits, or you can point it out in a different color also. The last two digits of 444 to the whole power 162 is 36. So the answer for this must be 36. So likewise, you can solve the remaining questions in the table and then give your answers in the comment box. Thank you for watching.